Good morning, Primary 1. Today we're going to talk about comparing two numbers, and today we'll compare between two digits number and two digits number. Today you will listen to a new vocab like greater than, less than, equal to, more than, smaller than, and compare. And when we compare two digits number with two digits number, we said that before the bigger tens is the bigger number. And where the tens, we said ones on the right, tens on the left. Please raise your hand for ones. Where is your hand for ones? Yes, on the right. And where is your hand for tens? On the left. Okay, now we will look at the tens. 58 and 85. In 58, where are the tens? 5 or 8? Yes, 5. And in 85, where are the tens? 8 or 5? Yes, 8. Which is bigger, 5 or 8? Yes, 8. So the number 85 is the bigger. So 85 is greater than 58. 85 is greater than 58. And remember, the sign of greater than is looking at the number. We said, you remember from the first term, we said greater than, meaning eats the number. The sign eats the number. The second one, 86 and 76. Again, repeat after me. The bigger tens, the bigger number. Again, the bigger tens, the bigger numbers. So 86 and 76. Where are the tens? 8. And in 76, where are the tens? 7. Which is bigger? 8. So the number 86 is the bigger. So 86 is greater than 76. And the sign eats the number. The sign look at the number. 66 and 65. Now I'm asking about which one is less, 66 or 65. Now we said before, the bigger tens, the bigger number. Where are the tens? 6. And where are the tens? 6. Oh, they are the same. If the tens is the same, look at the ones. The bigger ones, the bigger number. Again, to comparing two digits number, we have to look at the tens. The bigger tens, the bigger number. But if the tens are the same, so we have to look at the ones. The bigger ones, the bigger number. 66 and 65, they have the same tens, so we looked at the ones. 6 and 5, which is bigger? 6. So 65 is less than 66. 65 is less than 66. And remember, we said the sign of less than doesn't look at the number, doesn't eat the number. So when we write 65 is less than 66 as a sign, the sign doesn't look at the number. 62 and 71. Where are the tens in 62? 6. And where are the tens in 71? 7. Which is bigger, 6 or 7? 7. So 62 is less than 71. And to write less than as a sign, it doesn't look at 62. And remember, all the time, the mouth of the fish look at the biggest number. Now we will answer this exercise complete using bigger than or smaller than or equal. 93 and 21. In 93, where are the tens? 9 or 3? Yes, 9. In 21, where are the tens? 2 or 1? 2. Which is bigger, 9 or 2? 9 is bigger, so 93 is bigger than 21. So 93 is greater than 21. And the sign of greater than is looking at the number, so sign is looking at 93. 10 and 30. Where are the tens in 10? 1. And where are the tens in 3 and 30? 3. Which is bigger, 1 or 3? Yes, 3. So 10 is less than 30. 10 is less than 30. And the sign of less than doesn't look at 10. 40 and 39. Where are the tens? 4. And where are the tens? 3. 4 is bigger than 3. So 40 is greater than 39. And the sign looking at 40. 5 tens and 40. And we said when we write 5 tens, we have to cross tens and put 0 to be 50. 5 tens equals 50. Again, 5 tens, cross tens, put 0, 5 tens equals 50. This is 50 and this is 40. Which is bigger? 50. Remember, the mouth of the fish eating the bigger, so the mouse eating 50. 2 tens and 30. Again, cross tens, put 0, cross tens, put 0, 2 will be 2 tens, it will be 20. 20 and 30, which is bigger? 30, because 30 has 3 tens and 20 has 2 tens. So 30 is the bigger. So 2 tens is less than 30. And the mouse doesn't look at tens. The mouse eating the bigger, eating 30. 80 and 9 tens, these are the same. 9 tens, cross tens, put 0, 9 will be 90. 80 and 90, where are the tens in 80? 8. Where are the tens in 90? 9. Which is bigger? 9. So the mouth of the fish eating 9 tens. 41. 41 in letters and 41 in digits. This is easy. This is equal. 60 and 16. Which is bigger? Yes, 60. The mouse eating 60. 18 and 60. Which is bigger? 60. So the mouse eating 60. Now please open your booklet, page 37. Complete using bigger than or smaller than or equal. The first one, 31 and 24. What are the tens? 3. And what are the tens? 2. So 31 is bigger than 24. So the mouse eating 31. 63 and 21. Where are the tens in 63? 6. Where are the tens in 21? 2. Which is bigger, 6 or 2? 6. So 63 is bigger than 21. And the mouse eating 63. 14 and 67. Where are the tens in 14? 1. And in 67, where are the tens? 6. So 6 is bigger than 1. So the mouse eating 67. And now 14 is less than 67. 24 and 25. Where are the tens in 24? 2. And where are the tens in 25? 2. Now we have the same tens. If we have the same tens, we said before we have to look at the ones. If they have the same tens, look at the ones. And the bigger ones, the bigger number. 4 and 5. Which is bigger? 5. So 25 is bigger than 24. So the mouse eating 25. 43 and 19. Where are the tens in 43? 4. And in 19, 1. Which is bigger? 4. So 43 is bigger than or greater than 19. So the mouse eating or looking at 43. 64 and 46. Where are the tens in 64? 6. And where are the tens in 46? 4. Which is bigger? 64. So the mouse eating 64. 30 and 23. Which is bigger? 30. So the mouse eating 30. 54 and 64. Where are the bigger tens? 6. So 64 is the bigger, so the mouse eating 64. 47 and 71. Where are the tens? 4. And in 71, where are the tens? 7. So 4 is less than 7. So 47 is less than 71. And the mouse doesn't look at 47. 89 and 90. Which is bigger? 8 or 9? 9. So the mouse eating 90. And 89 is less than 90. 24 and 61. Where are the tens? In 24, 2. And in 61, 6. So 24 is less than 61. The mouse eating 61. 31 and 13. Where are the bigger tens? 3. So 31 is bigger than 13. So the mouse eating 31. 93 and 21. Which is the bigger, 9 or 2? 9, so 93 is bigger than 21, so the mouse looking at 93. 10 and 30. Again, where are the tens? 1. Where are the tens? 3. Which is bigger? 30. So 10 is less than 30. And the mouse look at 30 and doesn't look at 10. 40 and 39. Where are the tens? 4. Where are the tens? 3. Which is bigger? 4. So 40 is bigger than 39. So 40 is greater than 39 and the mouse looking at 40. 5 tens and 40. We said before we cross tens and put 0. So 5 tens equals 50. This is 50 and this is 40. Which is bigger? 50. So the mouse eating 50. 2 tens and 30. Cross tens, put 0 to be 20. 20 and 30. In tens place this is 2 and in tens place this is 3. So 30 is bigger. So the mouse eating 30. And remember 30 is equal 3 tenths. 80 and 9 tenths. 9 tenths cross tens, put 0 to be 90. Which is bigger, 8 or 9? 9, so 80 is less than 90. 41 and 40, this is equal. 60 bigger than 16. 18 less than 60. 5 ones and 20. 5 ones cross ones. 5 ones equals 5 and 20, which is bigger, 20, so the mouse of the fish eating 20. 3 tens and 30. Cross tens and put 0, it will be 30. And this is 30 and this is 30, so this is equal. Now primary one, do you remember ascending order and descending order? Ascending order, we said before, ascending order from the smallest number to the biggest number. And ascending order is meaning up the stairs from the smallest to the greatest. And descending order down from the greatest to the smallest, yes. So now we have 56 and 36, 53 and 63, and we need to order these numbers in ascending order from the smallest to the greatest. We have 56 and 36, 53 and 63. In ascending order, we start from the smallest. Which one is the smallest number? The smallest number, the number that has the smallest tens. Where is the smallest tens? 3. So 36 is the smallest number, so we have to start with 36 and cross 36. Now we have 56 and 53 and 63. 5 is smaller than 6, but we have 56 and 53 and they have the same tens. Now we have to look at the ones. Where are the smallest ones? 3, so 53 is less than 56, so we have to write 53 and 56. And the last one, 63. Open page 38. We have 73, 37, 36, and 63. Which one is the smallest tens? 7 or 3 or 3 or 6? 3. Now we have 37 and 36. They have the same tens. Now look at the ones. 7 or 6 is the smallest. 6, so 36 is the smallest. We start with 36 and then 37. Now we have 73 and 63. Where are the tens? 7 and 6, which is the smallest? 6, so 63 and 73. Now we need to arrange the following numbers in descending order from the greatest to the smallest. Now we have to start with the greatest number. We have 43, 40, 4 and 45. We have to start with the greatest. Where are the greatest tens? 43 or 40 or 45. Now they have, all of these have the same tens. Now we have to look at the ones. 3 or 0 or 5, 5. So we have to start with 45 and cross 45. Now we have 43 and 40 and 4. Yes, 43 and 40, and the last one is 4. And remember primary one, any two-digit number is bigger than or greater than any one-digit number. 42 bigger than 4, 36 bigger than 7. Any two-digit number is greater than one-digit number. For now we finished. Please answer page 35 and 36 and complete page 38 as a homework. Thank you. See you soon.